To start, we're going to look at English and math. Now, those are relatively easy options to make. In Skyward, you will see your recommended courses. If you feel, and I'm specifically talking about English right now, if you feel like I would like to try a different level than what I was recommended for, the only thing that we ask is that you make a selection of no more than one step up or one step down. So, if you were recommended for English 9, but you would like to try English 9 honors, go ahead and try it. Understand that as you move up levels, of course, there's an intensity with the work done in the classroom, homework expectation, participation expectation. But if you'd like to try English 9 honors and you're recommended for English 9, you're welcome to do it. However, if you are recommended for English 9 and you want to do a Lyceum or Gifted and Talented, that is someplace where even if you put in that request, we would put you in honors just to make certain that you are appropriately placed for your freshman year. If there's a reason that you really feel that you need to make that jump, that would be a conversation that we probably need to have, school counselor, student, parent. Um, Same going the other way around. So you've been recommended for English 9 Lyceum, and you may be very much capable of doing the work, but you're concerned about how many high level courses you're going to take your freshman year, getting used to high school. Maybe you're doing some type of extracurricular activity, be it that it's at school, a sport, something like that, marching band. Things are very intense. Maybe you belong to a dance company. They practice 5 days a week sometimes, and you just don't know that you want to take everything at the highest level. Then go on ahead and go from English 9 Lyceum to English 9 Honors. But I would ask the same thing there, where you are not dropping from Lyceum to English 9. The appropriate step would be Lyceum to Honors. Okay? So that's really how English works. Now, math is sequential. After Algebra 1, well, let's start with pre-algebra. After pre-algebra, you take Algebra 1. After Algebra 1, you take geometry. After geometry, you take Algebra 2. And that's how the sequence works in Lawrence Township. So, if you are recommended to take Algebra 1, but you really want to take geometry, you need to take Algebra 1. In the state of Indiana, you need to have Algebra 1 geometry and Algebra 2 on your transcript. So we don't skip over them. You take the Algebra 1 first. If you took Algebra 1 this year, you're going to go into either geometry or geometry honors. If you are in geometry, you're going into Algebra 2 or Algebra 2 honors. So the math is sequential. Really what you're looking at with your recommendations is if you are a geometry student or an Algebra 2 student, whether you would like to take regular or honors. Algebra 1 does not have an honors level in ninth grade. Okay, so go on ahead and make that selection. Really, it should be the same as you're recommended unless you want to try a different level. Again, if you were recommended for Algebra 2 honors, let's say, and you really think you would just like to take Algebra 2, and I'm saying just, I really don't mean it like that. I'm not a math student, so it's all very difficult to me, but you were recommended for Algebra 2 honors. You don't think you want to move quite at that pace, then go on ahead and move to Algebra 2. Okay? So that's math and English.